Hello and welcome to the first video. We will get right into building your website, but before we do, I will just tell you shortly what you will need exactly to build your website. So stay tuned, we're starting in just a minute. First of all, obviously you will need WordPress. Then you will need your own domain. A domain is something like google.com or youtube.com, just like your company name.com or whatever you want. This will cost around $10 a year. Then you will need a hosting provider. A hosting provider actually has like a lot of computers, kind of specialized computers called server, and your WordPress website will be on this server so everybody can access them via the internet. This costs around, I think, $7 per month, but I have a special coupon code for you so you can get the first month for free. And the last thing you will need is a so-called theme. WordPress works with themes. This is basically the design, kind of like structure for your website. Sometimes it's very plain, sometimes it's already, completely designed, and you just kind of install one of these designs. Fortunately for you, there are like thousands and thousands of free designs. There are also so-called premium designs, meaning you have to pay for them. But in this course, I will work with a free one, but I'll also show you, of course, how to install premium ones. So all in all, this means you can get started for only around about 10 bucks. Now, this being said, we can get ready and, start with setting up everything you need and installing WordPress. So let's get started by setting up our hosting account. To do so, we're going to www.hostgator.com. Now, HostGator is probably one of the most known hosting company around the web. When we scroll down here, we can also see it has received a lot of awards, 11 plus only this year, including best hosting company. You can look at that in your own free time. But when I came across HostGator many years ago, what struck me was, of course, that it was cheap, that it had a 45-day money-back guarantee, so if it wouldn't work out, I could get my money back, and it had unlimited disk space and unlimited bandwidth. I mean, to be totally fair, like, you can't give anybody unlimited bandwidth if you're getting something like huge, like Facebook with billions of users. Obviously, they would say, hello, please, cut it down or we have to charge you more. But this is also true for other companies. This being said, I'm hosting all my domains and all my websites on HostGator and never had an issue with that. What's also really important, and this I only found out in later years, is technical support. Of course I tried other companies, but I stayed with HostGator because if I ever run into an issue or did not know how something worked out, basically you here have the live chat symbol, and even if you're a customer, you'll be treated as good as if you're not and they just want your money. They make sure you stay with them, they make sure you're satisfied. You also have like a toll-free number to call, and they're really knowledgeable and can help you out. So let's view their plans. Click here. Basically, for a small business and medium-sized businesses, a hatchling plan or a baby plan will do fine. I'm paying monthly, you can pay yearly or whatever. You're not really saving that much. But, I mean, you're an adult, you can do the math. I'll just show you how to sign up. So, let's say we're paying monthly. So we would click here and click on order now. And here it says package plan, hatchling, billing cycle, monthly. And I want to show you, before we look for our domain, I want to show you some little traps you should be aware of. I mean, it's not really a trap. They're trying to upsell you, and you know, as any commercial provider, they're entitled to that. Um, you can read through all this, but basically, in my opinion, you don't need it. This is kind of glorified anti-virus software, anti-hacker software, as you will. But nobody, like, if somebody's really going to attack your website, it's not going to help. And I'll show you a free plugin to back up your WordPress site to Dropbox, so you don't need this either. So I already saved you some money here, and I'm gonna save you some more. They already have here a coupon code. I'm not gonna lie to you, if you use mine, I'm gonna profit from them. But I think, as I'm showing you something, and I hope you're gonna appreciate this, and I'm doing this stuff for free, you'll use my coupon code because you're going to save even more. Their coupon code is 20% off. I can give you 25% off. You simply have to type in, and this will be available in the description as well. 25 off VP for the number 4 BE, sorry, BE, and then you click on validate. And now it says 20% off. But as you're at the moment on a monthly payment, this doesn't make a lot of sense. So if we switch this to yearly, 12-month cycle, you can see you would save 20 bucks. For those who still want to pay monthly, I also got something for you. You simply type in first of VP for BE, click on validate. Now you see you only pay 1 cent for the first month. So you basically got the first month for free. And again, these coupon codes will be in the description. As I told you, I'm totally open by that. I profit from it. You don't have to use it, but you profit too. So I really appreciate it if you would actually use it. So this being said, let's get back to our domain. Remember I told you you need a domain name, like the stuff you type in into your browser to get to the pages. So obviously google.com would be taken. So if we type in google.com, it tells us please enter another choice. Google.com is unavailable. Wow, who could have thought that? So you type in your company name or whatever. I'm gonna just type in, some random letters who will not be taken. Of course, you're not going to do that. You're going to type in your company name or whatever. But I'm, for this demonstration, I'm just pretending this is my domain now. Now, another thing you should be aware of. It says it has been added to your cart. That's right. But what else has been added to your cart? Domain privacy protection. Another thing, in my opinion, you do not need, because you're already identifying yourself with your website, either privately or as a company. So who cares if somebody knows that this domain actually belongs to you? What they'll normally see is your name and your address you put up for this domain. So if you think you need that, be my guest, but normally you just click it away and you save yourself 10 bucks per year. And of course you have to fill in all this stuff, email, first name and so on, and some sort of payment method. When you're done and you make sure that everything is correct payment wise, you just have to check that you've read all the terms and conditions as usual, and then you click on create account. As I already have an account, I will show you around mine and how to set up WordPress. So how do you log into your account once you've set it up? It may take some time. You'll get a welcome email and everything. You just simply open up a new tab in your favorite browser, and You type in the domain you've registered. For example, if your domain was mycompany.com, you would type in mycompany.com followed by / and cpanel. And then you will see this. It tells me I'm not logged in currently. That's correct. So you have to fill in the username you've chosen, and you have to fill in the password, which I'm going to do right now. And now this is what you see. Now we don't need that. This looks totally confusing at first, but we're only going to need like 1 or 2 of these buttons that you're seeing here. So let's start by installing WordPress. We're scrolling down all the way until we see this little icon saying quick install. And we click on it. And on the left we see WordPress. We click on that too. And we click on continue. And now we can choose one of the URLs of the domains. If you only have like one domain, it will be this domain, but I have lots of them, mostly domains of my clients, so that's why I have to blend them out. It's a lot of editing work for me. Trust me, I'm not really looking forward to it, but gotta respect people's privacy. So for this tutorial, I'm just choosing one of my throwaway domains. I'm not using it anymore. It's called appsunlimited.info. You'll be seeing whatever domain you have chosen for your package. The next field is if you want to install WordPress into a subdirectory. Basically, if you want people to type in your domain / something, for example, your domain / blog or whatever. If not, if you just want to normally install a website on your domain, you just leave this empty. Leave this checked. Admin email would be your email, either a private one or a new one. I'll take contact at appsunlimited.info. And by the way, these emails do not create themselves. You have to set them up later in the cPanel, and I'll show you how. Blog title, my awesome blog. Admin user, you can give yourself a nickname, and it really doesn't really matter. And yeah, I already know that my name is Gert. The rest does not really matter too. So then we click on install now. And we see this bar filling up very fast actually, and it tells us congratulations, you have installed it. Now what you really need to copy and paste or write down is the username and your password. You can change that later, but to log in for the first time you need to do that. So you can open up Word, Notepad, whatever. I just open up Word. Go back to that, copy it, and paste it in here. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment this video, and just click on the buttons around here to watch the next video or the playlist. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.